NASDAQ this week has risen in value. What we can see, the price has formed a bullish breakout above 19,500, but before that the price for 3 days could not make a bullish breakout. What we can see, it was an attempt to make a bullish breakout, but the selling pressure here was very strong, and we can see a small wick, larger wick, and even a larger wick for the 3 days, but below that the price could not make some kind of attempt to make a bearish breakout below that. So on a Thursday we can see a strong bullish candle where the price formed this bullish breakout and reached the next resistance level at 20,000. This area was a very important resistance level where the price is bounced back down, and on a Friday this bounce was continued, but also by the end of the day the price is retraced back up a little bit, forming this small bearish candle body. A weekly time frame looks as a bullish candle after the previous week has formed this bullish breakout, and also in validation of this bearish breakout which has happened at this 18,843, the price stopped at this resistance level, but it has closed above this open and close price and also above this open and close price, which is a great information for the bulls. Monthly time frame is looking right now as a bullish one. We can see in the previous month we had the same scenario where the whole month was bearish, but then at the end the price continued to rise in value. So this one also, it was a bearish starting and then returning back up, and there is a high probability for the price. We can see that forming currently a bullish breakout above these open and close price of the monthly candles. Now the next resistance is 20,000 as a round number. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout and close the month next week above that? We will see on the next week on the weekly and the daily time frame. Now let me stretch this one a little bit up. Okay. Need to also check this one. Here it is. Now we can see that the weekly time frame needs to make a bullish breakout. It is at the very important resistance level. We have a confluence of a resistance because we have a horizontal resistance, we have an uptrend trend line which is now acting as a resistance. If the price managed to make a bullish breakout above this one on the next week, this will be a great information for the bulls, where the next open space will be towards 21,000. The daily time frame shows us that there is a probability that the price could retrace back down after making this bullish breakout above this confluence of resistance on the daily time frame. We can see the daily time frame has formed this bullish breakout, but the weekly still not. So there is still a resistance for the price that is still preventing the price from easily moving up. And this is the area 20,000 as a resistance level on the daily time frame that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value, where the next level will be 21,000 on the weekly. Before that happened, we can see the daily time frame has 20,446.34, a resistance level that needs to be also broken in order to continue to rise the value. So for now I'm expecting and also waiting until the price make a bullish breakout or bearish breakout below this one. Currently it is in between the support and the resistance level, so I'm staying outside until the price makes a clean move so I can also follow the trend. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.